Hello folks, welcome back again. Today we will see how to download and install JDK in our local machine. So before starting the download and all, we will see, first of all we will understand what is the use of JDK, what are the internal components in the JDK. First of all, if you see this diagram here, so this is the overall diagram of this JDK. So here the first layer consists of the JDK. Inside JDK there is JRE, inside JRE it is JVM. Okay, so first of all, what are the components are there in the JDK? If you see here, as we discussed yesterday, it contains rich standard library, right? So here you can see in the JRE itself, you can see that all the Java standard libraries and all Java class library. In the JDK we will see the first one, Java compiler, which is Java C and Java heap and Java console. All these things are there in the first layer JDK. Inside JDK there are two components, that is JRE and JVM. In JRE we have the standard library classes which are previously developed, which will we will use for perform our common tasks. Okay, so next inside JRE we have JVM, which is Java virtual machine, which is responsible to run our machine code. Okay, which means if you write any Java code, it will the class files are there, no, the class, from the class files it will perform all the actions which we want. So this is the whole concept regarding how the JDK will there, where the JRE will lies, where the JVM will lies. So let's go to the Chrome and we will see how to download this JDK. If you see, currently we are using this Java 17. Why? Because Java 17 was released in the year, I think, 2021. So in 2020, from 2021, it will we can say that Java 17 is one of the standard version. For this Java 17, the organization will provide up to 8 years of support. They will provide, Oracle will provide 8 years of support. So we will say Java 17 is a standard version. In the previous also we can see that the Springboot 3 versions also it follows. It accepts Java 17 as its basic version. So from Java 17 it is taken. Okay, so let's see. So currently I'm using Windows here. So Windows compressed archive installer and MSI installer. So if you click navigate to this place, first of all let me come one by one. So in the when you head over to the Chrome browser, just type JDK 17 download, then you will navigate to this page. You can see here Java SE standard edition 17 archive downloads. If you go to this link here, you can see this page. Okay, so some of the things, when you click in the end, you can see all the three installers. This is the bin file, zip file. If you click on this link, the zip file will download, and then we are going to extract that one. I will explain. So next, this is the exe file, and this is the installers. These two, if you download these three, any one is enough, either bin or download either exe or MSI. I will explain one by one. If you download the zip, I have already downloaded these two. I have downloaded this bin and MSI installer. Those let me show you those two. So here are my two files. This is the bin file which I have downloaded. Okay, so what happens when you download this bin, it will come as a zip file. When you extract it, it will come in this form. Okay, you can see here Java 17.0.7. inside of this you can see bin configuration include and all. So here you can find the bin path, right? So in the bin path you can see all the DLL files which are there. So what we will do, this is how you need to download JDK. Once we have downloaded JDK, we need to set up the path, which means our system should know whether the Java is running. So for that, what we need to do, we need to, first of all, you should go inside this JDK and inside the bin, copy this path. Okay, after copying that, just head over to environment variables for your account. You can see here two are there, system environment variables are there, for your account is there. For now you will select this for your edit environment variables for your account. Just open here, you can see take a new one, user variables for admin. Okay, just take new, just give this name Java _ home. Okay, this is the variable name. Values, the value which we copied, just take the bin. Okay, until JDK 7.0.7. After this, click on this path, just click edit, take new, give that path. Okay, just click OK. Okay, now I have set the JDK path. Once the JDK path is up, you have set the JDK path. Let's check whether our computer knows Java is there or not. How we will check? Open the command prompt, just give the command java c. You can see here one of the stuff. If you see this log, then in our system the Java is up. If you want to check the version, java c hyphen version. So if you check this is the 17.0.7. this is the Java compiler we have. Okay, so now the second one, what the MSI installers and the installers will do. It will do nothing, it will just download. What it will do, so currently we have unpacked your bin file here, right? So what it will do means, it will go to the C drive, program files, inside Java it will create one folder like this, JDK-17. in this it will unpack that whole the zip file. That is the only difference by using this installers and by using the our bin files. You can follow the either you are comfortable with installer, you can use the installers, or if you are comfortable with these bin files, you can use bin files. This is the one thing you need to understand is, you should make sure our in our local environment the JDK should be up. The Java what we have installed, the version and all should be there. Thank you very much. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy coding.